everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a great holiday. So today's video is going to be, Luna just bumped the camera, but today's video is going to be about what I got for Christmas. I just want to say I'm very thankful for everything that I got, and my family went above and beyond, and I'm very happy and blessed that I have a beautiful family, and that's what's more important, that we're healthy and that I have you guys, and I hope you guys had a great and wonderful Christmas. So let's get started with the video right away. And I know I'm late to the game, and there's still like one present I got for myself that has not arrived. Luna, be respectful, you're bumping the camera. So there's one present I still have not received. It's on the way, but I'll just insert a picture of what I got for you guys to know. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first thing I got was this beautiful hat that I already worn. It is nice and fluffy, and in the inside it has this type of like cotton and warm material, which I'm loving, especially for this freezing cold. If you don't know, I live in New York City and it's freezing here, so this is gonna be a great thing to have, and I'm very thankful for my aunt that I love it. The next item I got was a Kat Von D scented candle. If you don't know me, but I love candles, and especially something like this. I think it's so, the aesthetic of it, it's so pretty, and I'm sorry, I hope you can see. It just smells straight like the perfume, and I'm very, very happy that I received this, and I love putting candles and making my home smell nice and pretty. So I don't know if pretty is a nice way of saying it, but I'm very thankful for that. So the next item I got was this Speak Out, and it includes 10 mouthpieces. It's kind of funny to have this, but I'm very thankful because something that's very important to me is family and friends, and I don't have many friends, so the few that I do, we do actually make game night in my house, and we order like chicken wings and pizza, and we play games or with my family. So I know it's like a funny thing. So I'm excited to use this, and thank you, Chelsea, for giving this to George and me. It's gonna be great thing to have. And Luna's eating on the couch. So the next item I received, which I was not expecting at all, was these AirPods wireless charging case. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's like this. It's very, very convenient. I was gonna say pretty, but it's white, pretty, self-explanatory. George got me this for work. Sometimes I'm on my phone and I could pick up calls, so I'm very excited to have. It does hurt my ear a little bit. As you can see, it's like red because I was actually using it, and my ears are not used to me wearing these headphones, so I don't know, maybe my ears are weird, but I'm very, very happy that I received this, and thank you, babe. So the next item I got was this knit tee and plush pants. It's like this. It's very, very soft and plushy, and oh my goodness, it's so nice. They gave it to me in an extra large because I love clothes that are baggy. I don't like sleeping in tight clothes, so I think this will fit. And also it has this sparkly thing that I really, really like, and that is that. And this, my aunt gave me this, so thank you, auntie, I love it. So the next item I received was this beautiful pretty Nine West bag. This one my cousin gave it to me, which is also my best friend, So it's really, really pretty. I really like the chains, and especially the pop of red. I love red in bags. So I think she did a great job by choosing this. I think she knows me. So I'm very, very happy about this one, and I'll be using it very, very soon. So thank you, Kelly. Love you. So the next item I got was this Louis Vuitton wallet. I already have my stuff in. It's like ka-ching. It is like this. Pretty much I already started using it, and I am very excited about it. George got it for me, and I'm very happy and blessed to have him in my life. And yes, thank you so much. So the next item I received, well actually Luna received, but I don't think she wants to do an unboxing, is this beautiful box, pink box that my cousin also Kelly got it for me. And it's so pretty. It has so many different ribbons for her hair. I love putting ribbons on her hair. She kind of, what was that? She kind of doesn't like it, but I love this big ribbon. She has this pretty one, but look at all of these. And I can like do, these are all doggy ones. So they're not for kids or anything like that. They're made especially for doggies, for the hair not to rip or anything like that. So I'm very excited about that. She also received a plush toy from Lucas, which is my other cousin. However, she threw it somewhere around the house. So thank you so much for this and for the plush toy. If you want to, let's take a look at Luna. Hi, Luna. You're busy? Okay. Okay, guys. So the next item I received was this beautiful from Urban Outfitter kind of sweater. Is it a sweater or like a shirt? It has to tie on the bottom, and it's very big. It's very big. However, I like things that are like kind of loose, and then I'll just wear a tank top underneath. I don't know what size it's a medium. So it's an oversized shirt, which I'll be definitely using. Also with this came, it says show your appreciation with this cute tassel keychain. This tassel keychain, it says too cute to leave home without it, and it says Nana on it. And the reason why it says Nana is because my cousin, and not Kelly, another cousin, we call each other Nana, and she calls my brother Nano. I don't know, since we've been very young, we call each other that. So she got me this thing that says Nana, which I'm very happy, and it's kind of a personal, cute little thing that I'll be using. I also got the Tati Beauty palette. However, it has not arrived, so I'll insert a picture here. It's very, very beautiful. I've seen so many reviews. If you guys want a review of it, please let me know, and I'll definitely do like an eye makeup tutorial or something like that and see my first impressions. I know I'm late to the game. However, I've bought one and I still haven't received it, so we're still waiting for it. It's on its way, but we're still waiting for it. So the next item I got for myself were these Tory Burch shoes that are also still on the way. So this is the reason why I kind of like set back to try to do this video, because I wanted to include all these items that have not arrived yet. But it's okay, and I'm still happy that I purchased this, and especially I got it off Poshmark, and a great deal. I think I paid like $45 for it, and it's like $300 worth of shoes. I mean, the price retails $300. So I'm very excited. If you guys want to see that, I'll definitely do another video. Lastly, one of my co-workers got me this beautiful, it's from Sonia Kashuk. I'm probably butchering her name, but it's this traveling makeup case. There's this little small one and then this big one, and it's very soft, and I can definitely tell that it's that material that you can clean it, so it's good for makeup, especially I'm a messy person, so this is gonna be a great deal. So thank you, Emily. And someone's knocking on the door, and Luna ran. Let's see. I also ended up getting 2 Amazon gift cards, one for $50, $25, and a little bit of cash, but I'm not gonna say how much cash because that's just like weird. But that's also what I got. I forgot. Just want to include on what I got for Christmas. So, Luna. Okay, you can be there. Luna. Alright, guys. She's stopping by to say bye. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed the video. And have a great weekend, guys. Bye.